Father, and you maybe so cocoso, Sunny walk on. What is it?
Yeah.
Those and your man come home, ye know, ye bay stars. What is it?
Yeah.
Like Agya Koo. Agya Koo to look at Nabury. No, I catch a producers and say, Mobi interesting, will be try me. Where are we? Father's mammy can you know? Because at a woman, no Benaji Agya Koo, where are we? What is it?
Yeah, boy.
Where are we? Only a tabwaji. Mona no managino. It is Agya Koo to say, Obi Tre movie. What's our producers on the way we? What I say?
Yeah.
Sanyo mani koswa, ti monopoly no koswa. Around that time in America, they be hear me.
Okay.
That time na akrobeto akot na bridge. Around that time na me kosi bra. Bra na edwuma na head. Kosi ba ya na me de no koma. Miracle Forms. What I say? Wo be kaya maybe issue bi by. Say Agya Koo say, Mr. Beautiful woman, me ncha. So okay, I say,
and then see it.
Father, okay. You know. Okay. Oh yeah, we pa.
What happened? They.
What I say, omode me buy na. Menini ye sikeni brain na a year hit no.
I'm Ghana.
I'm beautiful. Menini yes, our movies na head. I feel me was no more Agya Koo say, Mr. Beautiful man, me ncha.
We didn't here. What trying to do? What was the reason? Yeah.
Sanka, what didn't buy and answer what friend na. Nanki bisa no sa question we. Because e koso sadia no koso pa e wo Kumasi nti e ba no sa no na ye movie no abeye one way wo ko Nigeria a lot of stars ye do ye adwuma so emu sa na ma ye mu binom ye ba ye e ma akrobetum but na mama e na Agya Koo e na ma me star
and I'm an Agya Koo ma o star
not
so
then
why do you have to say na Agya Koo say wo movie ma o ntwa why do you have to say that?
Me yeah.
What you want to know man? I say obi na eka.
No producer to me freo. Unya anyway a kasi wo but e just say wo mu a e just wo ma on yentino yentimi yusu bi.
Okay, sana producers ni kan.
Koso asama me kai with my friend Jones agema kra no bisa no.
Okay. Say bi no mo di asem na e hye no.
Say ya asem say enya asem. E koso. Unim say na akrobeto sori a okohoro Agya Koo ka. Hey, asma me kefra akrobeto ne bisa no.
Said nti.
Because anya ono so ebia na akrobeto Agya Koo aka chense o ma o ntwanti no. Miracle ni akrobeto kasaye. Nti na akrobeto da pokan. Akrobeto.
No da pokan yeah. Akrobeto kwada so. Yeah.
Akrobeto akrobeto da pokan. Nti esa akrobeto sorry a okohoro Agya Koo ka. Sane e be ya asade no. What you say? To be honest with you, Agya ma ye industry no move ye, but Agya ni suban bi ma ye industry no fall ye. Intifada, a combination of many things are a cause why a sinking the beauty of our industry. What you say? Sanyamano ni nyinano ye nyina we've learned a lot from those things. Inti me catch us say akoso. So there's no
never
way.
Never say Agya Koo kasaba bi on dede wo ho.
Okay.
Dede wo ho. Oba o se o chia o.
Mate mejene so.
O se o chia.
Mejene so. Inti fada eye ye suban ya kwan ene ye nneoma bebre ekoso.
I see. Now what me busan say Agya one on Agya onua ba Mac Brown mama Esther sana wa wakan na adena media matini what me busan no
me yobia me force me ho e wo nipa so father wa wo ne
I know yeah
me force me ho I believe say my talent is so unique to extend that won't me fa contain emuto me so enye possible.
Okay.
I say utu Agya mo kosra na person e chika fo
mo nyame awso no
I believe. And father in life if you know where you are going you don't run, you walk.
Yeah, if you know where you are going
you don't run,
you walk.
Okay, because you know say for sure I'll get to my destination. What is the point of running? I won't run. When pilot obe to plane now we could see the end of tarmac obe take it off after we moment we could see the end of tarmac ebe take it off no the air cost or airport to hobiano and he is getting to the next destination. My destination is my focus. And ya wa won pemasem.
Okay.
And ya wa was when me nye. And ya no. That's me.
Okay.
Into me, I love my enemies.
Okay. You love your enemies.
I love my enemies. So who's a one pemasama when I'm a pewasem. You know why? What you are doing is promoting and urging me to do more.
Okay.
To be better.
Well, last time we shared Agya Koo that way.
Mini coffee share away. It is a sign off. Yeah, I think it was a sign off. A sign off by election.
Okay.
That was the last time I share coffee. And no grandpa not take care, take care. And you wave.
Okay.
Yeah. Coffee my baba me change. Me coffee am calling change.
Okay, that's nice.
No, me ni some bad no cry about coffee.
Okay.
What is it? Father.
But on for phone friend no. And I just a debut on here.
I debut on here me friend no.
Okay.
Oh, me friend coffee. Bibi na me to me friend bisa no.
Okay.
Why not?
Okay.
Me friend coffee why is a me friend no.
Okay.
But no cry